sill, sell, sail. Can you hear the difference? Let's take a look at these vowel sounds in American English pronunciation. A, like in take, take. For this vowel sound, open your mouth wide and also try to raise the front of your tongue. It will feel a little bit tense. Again, A, like take, take, save, save, or late, late. This is a long vowel, so if the letter L comes after it, you want to break it into two parts. Like for instance, in sail, sail. Notice it has an A sound and the O. Sail, sail. Sound, like in test, test. For this sound, you can have your lips mostly closed, raising the middle and front of your tongue. Your tongue will also be a little bit more relaxed than you saw in the A sound. And again, it should sound like like in get, get, test, test, or bet, bet. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Sound, or the short I. The front of your tongue is down, but the middle of your tongue is high, and the sides of your tongue should touch your top teeth. Again, it should sound like like in sit, sit, give, give, or him, him. Lit, lit, let, let. Late, late, lit, let, late. Sill, sill, sell, sell. Sail, sail. Sill, sell, sail. Sill, sell, sail. Pin, pin, pen, pen. Pain, pain. Pin, pen, pain. Pin, pen, pain. For more info on vowel sounds, be sure to check out these other videos. My name is Jeff. Thanks for your time. We'll see you in the future one. Take care.